In the My Printers tab, makers can register and manage all of their 3D printers in one place. This section helps you showcase your printing capabilities, including your printer model, build volume, printing technology, and supported materials. To add a new machine, simply click Add Printer and enter the printing details. Once added, the printer appears in your list, where you can review or edit it later. Keeping your printers updated is very important because this information helps customers to understand what you can produce. It also helps the platform match you with the right print request based on your printer capabilities and supported material. So the more accurate your printer setup is, the better your chances of appearing for relevant customer jobs.